Come Monday, mask mandates return to St. Louis City and County. Some people questioning how long the mandates will stand and if it's legal for the County Council to step in. Fox 2's Zara Barker begins our pandemic team coverage tonight from Chesterfield. Zara?
That mask mandate just announced today, going into effect on Monday. That means diners going into a restaurant starting on Monday, like diners here at Satchmo's in Chesterfield, will have to wear a mask when they walk into a restaurant. But if they're eating or drinking, they don't have to wear one. Now, this does apply for any public place starting Monday in St. Louis City and County. St. Louis is expected to mask up again come Monday, regardless of vaccination status, because of an increase in COVID-19 hospitalizations from the Delta variant. It's the first order the city and county plans to issue since Governor Parson signed Bill 271 last month, limiting public health orders.
This is a unique situation.
Legal expert Jake Kanzler says the bill may not actually apply to this order, and it'll likely come down to the court's interpretation of the word access in the bill, and if requiring a mask restricts, quote, access to any one or more businesses, churches, schools, or other places of gathering or assembly.
One side is going to argue, no, there's no restriction. You are free to come and go as you please. You just have to wear a mask. The other side is going to say, I don't want to wear a mask. It's my right not to wear a mask. Therefore, you have restricted my access.
Kanzler says it would be up to the court.
Given the political nature of restrictions and masks and mandates, I would guess that come Monday or Tuesday morning, people will be lining up at the courthouse.
He says if the bill does apply, the County Council or City Board of Aldermen can terminate the order by a simple majority vote. St. Louis County Councilman Tim Fitch already requested adding a possible termination onto Tuesday's meeting agenda. And Satchmo's Bar and Grill owner Ben Brown hopes it's terminated.
I have my fingers crossed that we'll still be able to keep the business staffed. Yeah, it's going to push more business and more potential employees to surrounding counties. So I mean, that's going to be tough. I know the business community in general, they're going to be hurt a lot by this if it stands. And my hope is that the county council, they actually take action here.
I asked Sam Page for his response to Fitch's request. His chief communications officer said in a statement, quote, as for the council member, my sincere hope remains that someday he will take the pandemic seriously and join others in helping curb this deadly virus. And Missouri Attorney General Eric Schmidt just reacting to this news just a few moments ago. He said, quote, the citizens of St. Louis and St. Louis County are not subjects. They are free people. As their Attorney General, I'll be filing suit Monday to stop this insanity, end quote. Live tonight from Chesterfield, Zara Barker, Fox 2 News.